What's good, everybody, and a happy new year. Guys, this is a new year, a new beginning, and I want you to make this year your most successful year. And we are starting right now. Starting off with meeting new people. Guys, you want to expand your network if you want to become more successful, because the person who talks with a lot of people has good social skills, and social skills are one of the most important skills to make you successful in your future life. So guys, discover yourself. After a normal day has been passed, take a notebook, write down the things that has given you positivity and the things that has given you negativity, the people that has given you negativity. So guys, if you write down this, look at the negatives and think how you can turn them into positives. And guys, if there are people who give you negativity, who make you feel low, get them out of your life, guys. Get them out of your life. You just want to be with the right people, do the right things, have the right content. Now you have discovered yourself, it's time to change your content. So guys, go for good and positive content, because the content you watch have a major impact on your life. Because if you watch comedy all the time, you're gonna be ending up being lazy and sorry for yourself. And guys, if you watch good content, something which helps you to inspire, and guys, something which motivates you, not for a short period of time, but for a longer period of time, something that makes you realize the value of life, that is the content you should be watching. So now guys, that you have discovered yourself, so now go on, set up goals for yourself to improve. And guys, if you want to set up goals, don't do it like I wish to read more this year. Set up it like I want to read one book per month. Set up the exact number, give clarity to your goals. And guys, don't do it for just the sake of keeping them in your mind. Write it down in a piece of paper, because that will get your goal into your subconscious mind and will help you to act on it. So now, challenge yourself, guys, because a person who constantly improves is the person who challenges themselves. Get off your comfort zone. If you think that thing is easy, don't do the easy thing, do the difficult one. And guys, the person who achieve the things are the one who challenge themselves constantly. And guys, if there is a goal that you think you can achieve in 10 years, think how you can do in 6 months, because that will give you the task that you have never done, that you have never thought that you can do. But this time, try to do with it to your full faith.
Next on our list is to slow down. No, I was not talking about that. The tip is right here.
In this hefty, fast-paced world, guys, just slow down for a moment. Many YouTubers like Logan Paul and guys Matt Davella, they have given the advice to slow down, and they have faced the consequences of being at this fast-paced world. And guys, slowing down will also give you a good decision making and will also help you to analyze yourself. Now guys, that you have set your goals, you're on a path to achieving that goals, so you have to analyze yourself, guys. Because if you analyze yourself, you will get the things that is stopping you from achieving your goal in the meantime. So guys, analyzing will also help in to getting you the rate of your success. Like if you want to achieve something in 6 months, and it will give you a general idea about when you are getting there and at what pace you are getting there. So guys, analyze yourself. So guys, next on our list is a bonus tip for you, that is to set up your mornings. Many successful people have said that the way you start your day is the way you end it. And if you start your day in a positive and a good way, you're gonna end your day in a positive way. So guys, don't check your phone when you wake up, guys, because on your phone there are many things running on. So guys, if you check your phone, there will be instant many thoughts coming onto your mind, and that will transform your day. So guys, if you want to create a good morning routine, do something relaxing, or just listen to good content. Subscribe to our channel, and oh, I forgot to say, hope you like the video. Click on the like button, comment, and guys, share, and again subscribe.